Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Today, totally unexpected, huge, volatile trading day. Monthly expiry will be usually more volatile, but today's volatility was really, killing the traders. I don't think any intraday trader made money today. Nifty fell more than 450 points from intraday high to low. In fact, if you look at the last 4 trading sessions, Monday Nifty fell more than 200 points from intraday high to low. Tuesday also fell 200 points from intraday high to low. Wednesday shot up 150 points from intraday low to high. And today Nifty fell more than 450 points from intraday high to low. So this whole November series was too volatile, and expiry day was even more volatile. Now, there are 2 major reasons for this such a big fall. Number 1, the auto index. I think the market is not happy with Mahindra & Mahindra's new electric vehicle launch. Yesterday evening only, Mahindra & Mahindra launched 2 variants of their new electric vehicle model. But today, Mahindra & Mahindra fell more than 3%. And that is one of the top 2 losers in the Nifty pack. I told you, even the entire global, today also I think, yesterday or today I've seen Aston Martin in Europe fell 4% because the guidance was not good. So, especially in Europe, the auto stocks are really struggling, auto companies are really struggling. Here, no need to say, look at the Bajaj Auto, went from 3,000 to 12,000, and now today it has come to 9,000. From 12,500 to 9,000, right? So, number 1, auto stocks are highly valued in India. I think we talk, even the Hyundai also came out with IPO at 27 PE ratio, where they're globally it is trading at 5 PE ratio, so that is one thing. The second one, the more surprising, was IT index. Infosys fell for more than 3%, TCS fell 2%. It was such a drastic fall. I don't know, I didn't check properly, but if I'm not wrong, Infosys has shot up 10 to 15% in this month alone. And TCS, I remember just 1 week before, it was trading around 4,050. Then yesterday it went up to 4,375. So this, 8%, 10%, 12% rise in the IT stocks. So definitely, these FIIs are in a mood to sell the high valued stocks. So they sold it heavily. Some business channels, they were talking, yesterday US inflation was higher. Because US inflation is high, the Fed may cut the rate slowly. That may not be good for IT stocks, But all those things are not true. If those things are true, if the inflation high in US, why the hell US futures are trading higher? Today, the entire Europe markets are trading in green, right? Even the US futures are also trading in green. So why only these auto stocks and IT stocks are singled out for punishment, right? The Bank Nifty, I told you, if Bank Nifty closes above 52,500, the Bank Nifty is becoming long technically. Today it went up to 52,800. Then came, huge selling that brought the Bank Nifty down to by about 800, more than 800 points. So clearly this is a expiry related issues. People, made money, right? So one hypothesis is that, because of Maharashtra state election, markets were moving higher, So FIIs, they do not want to disturb this uptrend. So probably they would have sold it in futures market. So today, they would have done the reversal trade. Means, they're squaring up the long position in futures and selling in the cash market. So that would have brought the market down. But some interesting things to note. Today, looks like, somebody want to bring down the market, bring down the Nifty. But look at the beyond the Nifty. Look at next 50, it is closed in green. Look at the mid cap, closed in green. Look at the small cap index, closed in green. Look at the advanced decline ratio. The number of stocks that were advancing today is much higher than the number of stocks that were falling. So this is a concentrated selling in the index heavyweights. TCS, Infosys, Reliance, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. I think HDFC Bank has fallen about 35-40 rupees from intraday high. So this is just to bring the Nifty down. Otherwise, broader markets are looking okay. Right. Now, the next one. The question comes, what next? Right. In the past, I have observed, as and when there was a very big fall on an expiry day, the very next day, the first trading session of the new series, the market will rally. So, tomorrow, the market has to rally at least 100 points. Right? 100 point is nothing. It's not even 0.5%. So, tomorrow, Nifty has to move higher at least by 100 points. If not, this trend is, we have to assume that this is a trend reversal. The market will continue to fall. Alright. Next, you look at technically. So, yesterday I told you, technically Nifty is long because Nifty closed above 24,270. But I also told you I am skeptical little bit because, it didn't close, it closed above 24,270 just by few points only, right? Had the Nifty closed above 24,300, at least, we would have been having a convincing faith in the system, right? So this time the technical has failed, right? So another thing, 24,350 is where the Nifty got rejected 4 continuous days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, all the 4 trading sessions, Nifty fell from 24,350. So therefore, for the next series, so I am assuming 24,350 will be a huge resistance. Now, if you see the downside, as I told you, tomorrow market has to rally. At least Nifty should close above 24,000. So otherwise, the downside, is open to the last month low. That was 23,270 or something like that. So the markets are, one thing is that, technically the people say Monday there was a huge gap, 400 point, more than 400 point gap up. So that gap has been filled today, right? So number one, the gap has been filled. So therefore, if market stabilizes here and move a little bit higher, right, then we can assume that 23,800 is the support, right? So everything is based on tomorrow's action. Today there is no US market, so there will be no global cues. So tomorrow we have to see, and again tomorrow evening India's GDP data will come, so that will create some trouble in the market towards the end of last 1 hour tomorrow's trading. So therefore, tomorrow's trading session is very, very crucial to decide the direction of the market for the next 1 month. So in fact, if you see in the last 1 year or 2 years, there were during the uptrend month, right? So every time, the first trading session, market moved significantly higher. So that day's low was not broken for the entire series. So that was the trend for so many months. But in the October, the very first trading session, market fell. So that high was never taken out again. So therefore, if tomorrow market moves significantly higher, then tomorrow's low, will become the low. Or tomorrow market falls, there is no hope in this market. So FIIs have sold 11,750 crores worth of shares, and this is more than what they have bought in the last 3 days. And also on Monday the people said that 10,000 crore buy was mainly due to MSCI rebalancing. Even that has been wiped out now, and probably this is the highest selling in the year 2024 by FIIs. So FIIs are once again taking a bearish view about our markets. As I told you, December is usually not a blockbuster month, but with this kind of mindset, markets are going to struggle. So remaining things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.